Hello friends, this is Vipul Chavda, digital marketing consultant, and today we are going to learn how to earn passive income by creating memes. Okay, this is a cloud-based app called Moolameme. You just need to register from this website. You will be a member of this Moolameme community. Okay, you, then after you just need to log in, post a meme, and start earning your money. Let's do live. There's so much facility also, like you can also read here, makes make us commission on true autopilot, right? You just need to create memes only, zero traffic. You don't need to get traffic from various platform. Zero selling, you don't need to sell anything. Yeah, right. Okay, like nothing you have ever seen. So many facilities, so many benefits. Okay, so here is platform called Moolameme, cloud-based platform. Here is it. Meme categories here, right? Okay. Today I am going to give you practical on music memes. Okay. We will upload music meme. So click here. Okay. Left side, create a new meme. Click. Then add a pic. Just bottom. Here I need to upload a music kind of photo, right? And I'm creating this kind of memes here, right? This kind of meme I will create here. So I will upload a pic I already download from Pixabay, right? And content I will take from this image. When teenagers say 90s music is for old people, I have never hit a kid before. You need to add top text and bottom text from here. When teenagers say 90s, bottom text here, I have never hit a kid before. Okay, font style you can take impact, color is white. Okay, or you can take it red, but white is looking good. Okay, you text size you can increase decrease text size. Okay, okay, here is the meme title. You can put it music for old. 90s music for all. Just click here, save it button, press OK, and your memes is here. Here we go. Before active, choose your category. It is music, and just press active button. OK, your meme is now active. This is just simple process to create a memes, and you can start earning right away. Right? You can see that someone is like here one person, like here two is here, one is here, one is in this meme. Okay, so when you will get like button in your memes, you will get earning as soon as possible. You can check it out my earning also. I just created account today only, just before 2 hours, right? And you can see the earning, right? You can see my memes also. I have created these memes today, right? So it is very simple process. Just creating, just add image, put your text, and create memes, right? To earning more money, try to make memes on all categories. Okay, humor, technology, culture, sports, fitness, music, and try to find your niche also. If you take music niche, try maximum memes on music for creating more passive income. Okay, so thank you so much. I will put MoolaMemes cloud app link in my description. You can buy and